You think your little corner table is just empty space? But what if I told you it's the perfect hiding spot for a group of survivors? Plants that thrive in the shadows, quietly adapting, growing, and waiting. These aren't just pretty succulents. They're green conspirators designed for small spaces, secretly plotting to turn your corners into lush sanctuaries. The aloe vera may look innocent, sitting quietly with its thick, fleshy leaves. But don't be fooled, this plant knows how to adapt. Give it a corner with filtered light and it slows down, controlling its growth while still storing its magical healing gel inside. In a shallow, wide pot, and with a sip of water now and then, it'll stay compact and content, like it's figured out how to live a slower, calmer life. The Echeveria is a master of disguise. Its compact, perfect rosettes look delicate, but this succulent is tough, especially the smaller varieties. They barely grow beyond a couple of inches, forming tidy, sculpted clusters that stay low to the soil. They're the kind of plants that make your table look intentional, minimalist, refined, all while asking for almost nothing in return. Then there's the golden sedum, a plant that's always glowing no matter where it's placed. Its plump yellow-green leaves can blush with hints of red when kissed by light. It grows fast, but not wildly. Perfect for those who want quick results without chaos. Keep it near a bright corner, and it'll reward you with color, balance, and an almost mysterious calm energy. The Jade Plant might just be the philosopher of succulents, slow, steady, and grounded. It loves light but can manage in less of it, staying compact and sturdy. If you prune it regularly, it'll grow dense and bushy, like a miniature tree rooted in wisdom. Just give it a solid, heavy pot. It doesn't like to fall over. The Burro's tail looks like it's from another world, cascading in soft, silvery green trails. Hang it from the edge of a corner table, and you'll see its stems gently spill downward like a living waterfall. But handle with care, its leaves are fragile and will drop if you disturb them. It's beauty that demands respect. Hens and Chicks are like a tiny, loyal family of plants. One main rosette surrounded by dozens of smaller ones. They'll fill every inch of your pot without taking up space, creating a textured full display. And when they bloom, those little star-shaped flowers almost feel like a secret celebration of survival. The Christmas cactus has its own rhythm. Quiet for most of the year, then suddenly bursting into bloom when winter arrives. Place it on a corner table and you'll help it control its light cycle naturally. Bright by day, darkness by night. And when those flowers open, it's like the plant finally reveals the secret it's been keeping all year. The panda plant looks soft enough to pet, but don't be deceived. Its velvety leaves are its armor, covered in tiny silvery hairs tipped with rusty edges. It's adapted to thrive in low-light corners while still looking exotic. Just keep water off those fuzzy leaves. This plant prefers to live dry and mysterious. The snake plant is practically immortal. Tall, sharp, stoic, it thrives in neglect. Low light, rare watering, it doesn't care. On your corner table, it grows slowly, controlling its power. And while it stands silently, it's actually purifying your air, making your home cleaner without you even noticing. The zebra Haworthia is a tiny, spiky marvel. Its striped leaves look painted by hand, and its size makes it perfect for small spaces. Just 5 inches tall, it's one of the most self-sufficient succulents you'll ever own. It's almost suspicious how well it survives on minimal light and attention, like it's too good to be true. And finally, the string of pearls, a plant that wears its mystery openly. Its round bead-like leaves drape gracefully over the pot's edge, creating a living curtain of green. Slow-growing and elegant, it's perfect for a raised corner where its vines can spill freely, quietly transforming your space into something enchanted. They may look small, quiet, even harmless, but these succulents are silent conquerors of forgotten spaces. They adapt, they endure, they bring life where none was expected. If you've got a lonely corner waiting for a little green mystery, you know what to do. Don't let their secrets stay hidden. Hit subscribe, like this video, and uncover more of nature's quiet conspiracies with us.